Hello on my second video about the DJI MINI 5 Pro. In this video I'm going to turn it on for the first time. At this point I haven't charged any controller or battery which is in the drone. I put other two batteries on power right now, and I hope the battery will be enough to do the first steps by turning it on and connecting. So while I was preparing for this video, I got to know that unfolding the arm, it already turns on the drone. Let's see if it will happen for me again. So yeah, let's start to prepare. Let's put also the sticks in the places. And let's remove the gimbal safety. Still I have to learn the proper way. Okay, let's see what happens when I unfold. Okay, yep, it is turning on. I don't know if it's good or not, because everything starts to move. Gimbal and the propellers. Probably I should look in some settings to turn this function off, and remote controller as usual. One short and then longer press. So let's take English. Agree to terms. Country, let's see if there is my country, should be Europe, Latvia. Yes, it's here. We can move on. And we need Wi-Fi and password. Okay, let's jump over it because I need to find a password. I have connected to Wi-Fi. Let's move on. I need a time, and it is Helsinki time zone. Okay, it is correct. I need to log in to my account. Let's also skip this. I have connected to my profile and I activate my device, and it offers me a start guide. Let's start. This should be the usual instructions which drone community already know, so we do fast forward. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's initializing. Probably there will be some updates. Let's skip, we don't need any ban from YouTube because of the music. Okay, authorize all, not improvement program, and I will activate the DJI device now. Activation successful, and I need to buy also DJI Care Refresh, and I will do it. I usually do it in the latest years, so I will do it also this time. And let's see what is the offer. So 1 year plan is 85 euros. So let's read what is included. And I will choose 2-year plan for 139 euros. So it will be easier for me because I will have to wait for 2 years to look for new. Okay, it already sees the serial number. Let's submit it. Probably let's check it if it's possible. I will skip and check. I did the check. The easiest way is to check it on the box. Let's submit. There is also need for some personal information. I will do it quickly. I am back after purchasing DJI Care Refresh. It took some time to do it through the remote controller, and now there is something new. It shows that I need to register myself here. Of course, I'm registered in our national registration portal, but let's see what is happening here in the remote controller. So what's going to happen? Okay, it just shows the information about the regulation in each country, and you can find the portals and then all the other stuff dedicated to drone flying and online course, etc. So it's actually quite good to find out information about other countries. But for myself, I have done it all, so I can move on. Okay, you can find more information here, and yes, we are here, and it is already offering me a new firmware update. Let's check what is happening here in my settings. I see my overall flight statistic. I see my devices here. Let's see, check for updates. Okay, it has internal storage of 21 gigabytes. Let's check for updates, and I will need to do the updates. I suppose I'm at this point. Okay, let's do it. It will update drone and also remote controller, so updates will be quite big. I will fast forward it for you and I will check the time. I hope the batteries will be still enough for it. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, all updates are done. It took a little bit more than 20 minutes, but it wasn't successful with the first try because it requires to have battery power more than 20%, so I had to replace the battery for drone. And for remote controller it had 36%, now it's like 22%. And yeah, it did remote controller drone update. FlySafe database I think was okay, and there were at least 3 application updates. I don't know why 3, but it did for me for like 3 times. And yeah, it shows me that the remote controller compass need to be calibrated. Of course also drone should be calibrated when there will be first flight. And also internal memory amount changed. Now it shows 42 gigas as said in technical specification. And basically I'm quite sure that I don't have to go deeper in the settings because it's quite similar to previous drones. So basically that's it, and only thing that I can show that here it is the mid tele mode, so you can zoom it in. So yes, everything is quite the same and similar. And also for video, mid tele mode, and you can zoom in also a little bit similar to the phone. So yes, thank you for watching this video. The setup was very easy. I think more chill than previous drones, and probably there will be at least one more video about this drone and some other information. So thank you for watching. Hope you found it useful. See you in other videos. Goodbye.